In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add an MP4 to your Klaviyo email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Klaviyo emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new email campaign in Klaviyo. We proceed to create a new campaign by naming our campaign, adding our campaign information, selecting our audience, adding a subject line, and finally, preview text. We select to design our email using the drag and drop option. Next, we need to select our template. When choosing, we look for one with an image at the head of the template, which we can replace with our video. Having selected our template, we drag a text block into position within the template where we wish our video to be featured. Finally, in the left-hand column, we click the down arrow by source code. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our MP4 from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting the MP4 file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the MP4. We have now successfully uploaded our video. We now choose how we are going to use the video, selecting the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our template. We return to our Klaviyo campaign and delete the 2 lines of text in the source code pane. Next, we paste the HTML snippet into this source code pane and click Apply. Our video is now in position within our template. We proceed to preview and test our video email by selecting Preview and Test. We can now see how the video email will play in our template on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to edit our campaign and prepare for testing and sending in the normal way. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, check out the details of the Viewed Email platform free trial by scanning the QR code or visiting the link shown here.